BJP MP Nishikant Dubey on Monday accused India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru of being involved in the 1953 arrest of Bharatiya Janasangh founder Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, or alleged that the government later attempted to cover up the circumstances surrounding his death in custody. In a post on X, Dubey claimed that Mukherjee was arrested on May 11, 1953 for protesting against Article 370 and the permit system that was then mandatory for entering Jammu and Kashmir. What allegations did Nishikant Dubey make? Dubey alleged that despite Mukherjee informing Nehru about his planned movement, the then Prime Minister directed action through Sheikh Abdullah and then Union Home Minister Kailash Nath Katchu. He also shared a letter purportedly written by Nehru to Katchu regarding the movement. The BJP MP further claimed that before leaving for a foreign visit, Nehru instructed authorities to suppress protests across the country and ban organizations associated with the agitation. Dubey also alleged that publications of newspapers such as Pratap and Milap were halted during that period. Why was Shyama Prasad Mukherjee arrested? Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee strongly opposed Article 370 and had raised the slogan, "एक देश में दो विधान, दो प्रधान और दो निशान नहीं चलेंगे," opposing separate laws, leadership and symbols for Jammu and Kashmir. In 1953, Mukherjee entered Jammu and Kashmir without a permit as part of his protest against the entry restriction system. He was subsequently arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police and detained in Srinagar for 45 days. Mukherjee's health reportedly deteriorated during detention and he died on June 23, 1953. His ideology later became one of the central foundations of the Bharatiya Janasangh and the BJP's political vision.